Hello, 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 guys. Let's start little room tour. Then I will show you four balcony. This apartment has four balcony. Four balcony. We start from the first. It's right here. Here is the living room with sofa. There is upstairs, second floor with the bedroom. But we start. I'm gonna show you balcony little bit how it looks. Living room with TV, my working place. I'm slowly starting. I just wake up. Good morning. Okay, under the stairs. I'm starting from not beautiful balcony, and then I show you more and more and most beautiful on the second floor in this Georgia's Athens apartments. We go to the first balcony straight from the living room. As you can understand, here's two window, one, two. Greek construction. They like building when a lot of light, you know, and when you can go through apartment like this. I don't know why I see this many times I like this style. So first balcony, it's very little. It's just comparing with other one, very little. First beautiful balcony, by the way, 18 plus, summertime. There's also apartment with a lot of. Okay, this is the first balcony from the living room. I'm introvert. I like everything closed. This is only for camera. Later I will show you bathroom, but we go in my big beautiful apartment. I'm gonna show you second balcony. Second balcony, it's right from the kitchen. This is the door. Let's go. Second, as you know, I'm starting not from beautiful. This is a little cute balcony. Hot, really, I don't know. It's 18 plus, but feels like 25 plus degrees. Gorgeous mountains. Look. Mountains from every balcony. I see mountains. From every balcony. This is little one from kitchen. I don't know why really Greek people, construction especially people, they really like a lot of balconies, windows, everything, you know, a lot of construction like this flat. A lot of windows, a lot of light, maybe because a lot of light and a lot of sun, I don't know. It's some traditional Greek apartment. Okay, this is the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen where I'm gonna cook for my love. Beautiful dinner. This is little but beautiful with the balcony window. Okay, and now starting to show you two beautiful big large terrace. So apartment 2 floor for 2 balcony, 2 terraces. Okay, terrace. I'm from country where we call terrace balcony, so for me it's just okay. And this is one largest terrace. This is from air conditioner. A largest terrace. We go and 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 plants. My little garden. Okay, I show you little garden in good quality, and we continue. Please subscribe, write, comment. Then I will show you Greek little shop. Look, beautiful. Greek little prices and night view. Enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe. My little garden. Gorgeous. Soon I will drop here night view. There is the Acropolis, huge architecture, historical building. Sorry, it's a huge historical famous place. In the morning we drink here coffee. I clean little bit for video, of course, but here was the flowers. I show you flowers because my wife, she likes to give me flowers almost every day, but I ask only one time per week. I cannot accept. I cannot accept. Other side of huge terrace one more time. Neighborhood is very silent because district very silent. People drinking coffee in the morning sometimes, but most of the time I don't see nobody. Sometimes I see a couple people drinking coffee also. Da-da-da, kitchen window. Okay, now I'm gonna show you bathroom and second floor view. So this is the building on the roof, but I have 2 floors, as you understand. This is last 5 floor plus extra floor for the bedroom. Let's go. A little beautiful Greek bedroom. This is not typical, but the window for Greek apartment is very often they use it. They like windows in the bathroom. This is Euro bathroom, nothing special. And let's go to the second floor. Oh yeah. Tap, 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 tap. I'm gonna make fast to our paradise bedroom for 9 days. Paradise. One window, air conditioner. And let's go. Here is the most beautiful slippers of Margarita. And the problem with the window is very difficult to open. Okay, let's go second floor. Here we drink evening drinks, wine. So in the night time I will put, this is also a lot of space, as you understand. Sunny batteries and mountains from every angle. Sunny batteries, the Greek government accepted of using sunny batteries. As you see, it's everywhere in neighborhood. Again, Acropolis, mountains, behind it, big mountains. I don't know if you see one mountains and behind one more. And in the night, all in lights. So let's enjoy the Lidl. I wish you amazing winter. This is honestly doesn't feel like winter. January in Athens is just amazing. This is Acropolis. Beautifulest. You know, I have separated video on iPhone with Acropolis. One more amazing blessing night in Greece, Athens. Feeling so blessed because I have beautiful, gorgeous woman. God bless me, and we rent. I don't know if you see the size of balcony. Wait, very big. Have a nice evening. Write, comment, like, and see you very soon. Gorgeous Athens. Oh yeah, this is real colors. Almost night, almost 10 p.m. Good night, my sweets. Good night, my friends. Gorgeous. A little bit check out for the other. I want to show you this very nice cafe look. Это же печатная машинка? Print something. Motorbike. Indian. No smoking. Harley Davidson. And the strawberry of cafe вишенка. Strawberry on tort. Как сказать вишенка на торте? Strawberry on tort. Strawberry on cake. Strawberry on tort. Some women. And no possible. Нет. This is the print machine. And fold everything. I got today Greek ID card. I show you how it looks, just other side. But only for short term. This one. For Ukrainian citizen. Very fast, comfortable, but only for 2 months because the government makes some law and you cannot go after March. So maybe in March I will need more. It was fast and beautiful.